Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a piece actually for my own wall, so it's a nice big gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm going to sort of mix it up and do a bit of a different background on here. Not just kind of the one solid colour, so I'm going to add white and gold and then sort of do like I suppose it may look a bit like a vintage background. So let's have a little look-see at what's going on when the background's finished. Okay, I'm happy with the background with the white and gold. It sort of, does take off it looks patchy and I like it. So I'm going to now create my design on it. So I'm just, as you see, filling the cup with the white and gold for my start of my design. So bear with me, because when I lay this particular composition out, it's not what it looks like at the end, so just bear with me and let's relax and enjoy. So I'm very happy with how that turned out. So now I'm going to really make the whole thing come to life. So that is a black blue that I'm laying in here and putting the gold in. So you'll see me layering the colours, and I'm trying to work out as I go along what looks best, whether laying gold in it or just doing a black little flower blowout. But you'll see it actually comes to life as the further along we get. So please stick with me and enjoy this. It is actually a lovely classy colour palette. I just love it, and it's the colours that I'm going with similar in my home at the moment. I'll try and show you a bit of the new decor that I've been doing of late in my home. Been just painting some walls, very plain, so I want to liven it all up with my art. go. I find it's coming along beautifully. If I had my way when I was actually in the art room at the time, I could have just continued doing those blooms all over the canvas. So I think just to be therapy for myself and my own curiosity, I must do one day which simply blow out the whole of the canvas in blooms, maybe in every colour, which would look, I think, fabulous. So it might be something to try in the future, but I'm really happy with this colour combo. So I'm just hoping that it all dries beautifully and I can show it you on the wall, and I'll be really intrigued to know what you guys think. Is it a winner or a sinner? Do you like it or not? I mean, that's it. I mean, it is my art and it's for my wall, so it is very personal to what you'd like yourself. So let me know what you think anyway. But a little reminder that I love to give to all of you, and make sure none of you are left out, is that a reminder is that if you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, and if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. So take care, my lovelies. Oh, as you can see, I added a little black bloom separate, floating there on its own like a little 3D object, but hope you liked it all. Bye for now.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Simplicity at its best. Just colour combo testing composition testing with different colours. And this is how my day is spent. And you can absolutely take high definition photos of these and have them printed. So how easy is that? Art therapy for sure.
On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could